Formatting an article using advanced features of Word. Using Microsoft Word, Aditi has written an article for her school's science magazine. The article looks well formatted and ready for submission. She has formatted the text in the document by inserting 3 columns, a column break, a header, and by setting the page properties. Let's look at how we can apply these features. Let's start by inserting 3 columns and a column break. To insert columns, select the text. Click on the Columns option in the Page Setup group on the Layout tab. From the drop-down list, click on More Columns option. The Columns dialog box appears. Enter the desired number of columns. Let's enter 3. Click OK. The text gets distributed equally in 3 columns. To insert a column break, place the cursor where you want to insert the column break. Click on the Breaks option in the Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab. From the drop-down list, choose the Column option. A new column begins after the point where the column break was inserted. After this, let's insert a header. To insert a header, click on the Header option in the Header and Footer group on the Insert tab. From the drop-down list of header designs, let's select the built-in option, Austin. The outline of header entry box appears. The Design tab too appears on the ribbon. Click on the placeholders or content controls and type the header. Let's type parts of a plant. Click the Close Header and Footer option in the Close group on the Design tab. The header is added to the article. Next, let's set the page properties. To set the page margin, click on the Margins option in the Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab. From the drop-down list, let's select Custom Margins option. The Page Setup dialog box appears. Specify the desired values of page margins. For now, let's type 2.50 for the top and bottom margins and 1.50 for the left and right margins. Click OK. The page margins are set. Finally, to set the page size, click on the Size option in the Page Setup group on the Page Layout tab. From the drop-down list, select the desired page size. Let's select Officio. The page size changes to as selected. There, just like Aditi, with these features of Microsoft Word, we too have made the content presentable.